In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in AppyPie Marketplace. We'll walk through where to find your store's font controls and how to set clear, consistent sizes for headings, subheadings, content, and menu text so your storefront is easy to read and looks professional. Start by signing in to your AppyPie account and opening your main dashboard. From here, look for the Builder area and choose Manage. This opens the list of businesses and apps linked to your account. Click the business you want to work on to open its dashboard. Inside that dashboard, select Manage App, then choose Edit App to launch the builder. Once the editor loads, focus on the left-hand side panel. Find your store in the list and click it to reveal its options. Next to your store's name, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click it and choose Settings. In the Settings view, open the Design section. Now scroll until you reach the Elements font size area. This is where you'll adjust how text appears throughout your marketplace. You'll see individual controls for heading size, subheading size, content size, and menu text size. Think of heading size as the primary titles, product names, major section headers, or any text that needs to stand out. Subheading size supports those titles, category labels, or secondary section headers. Content size covers the body copy, like product descriptions, details, and any paragraph text. Menu text size is for your navigation items and menu labels. As you adjust each control, aim for a clear visual hierarchy. Headings should be the largest, subheadings a step down, content comfortably readable, and menu text clear without overpowering the page. A helpful approach is to set content size first, since it's what customers read most, then scale headings and subheadings relative to that base. Aim for usability. On phones, many stores read comfortably when body copy sits around the equivalent of 14 to 16 points, with headings roughly 1.4 to 1.8 times that. Avoid using all caps for longer text, and keep strong color contrast between text and background for accessibility. For menus, balance size with the space available in your header. Overly large labels can wrap or truncate, while text that's too small can be hard to tap. If your editor provides a live preview, glance at it as you go and check both desktop and mobile views. Watch for long product names or category titles to be sure they wrap neatly without crowding. When you're happy with your choices, click Save to apply the changes. Give the page a moment to update. Some views may refresh automatically. If something looks off, return to the Elements font size area and fine-tune until the hierarchy feels natural and scannable. That's it. You've opened your store in the Builder, navigated to design settings, adjusted each font size thoughtfully, and saved your work. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you fine-tune your typography.